Hi, this is Pranav Achanda, and in this video KB, I'll be teaching you how to configure URL ports in your REST consumer transformation. So the agenda for this video is to configure the URL ports in the REST consumer transformation and check the final URL in the log to verify. In the previous video, I thought you have to configure the argument ports. So let me give you an idea of what the URL ports are. So if you go to the advanced settings, so this is your base URL. Say suppose you want to have additional parameters in your URL, say sample and info, and then you want your argument ports. This could be a potential URL that you want to build while calling your REST consumer transformation. So to get this sample and info dynamically, say suppose the sample, okay, I think a better example would be a number here. Say this is a number and it comes dynamically from some part of your mapping logic. So you can add that in your URL through a URL port. So let's try and build this URL. So for now I'll make the base URL as sample.com and I'll teach you how to build the URL ports. So to add the URL ports, I go to my REST consumer transformation and I click on the properties tab, go to ports, select request input, go to the drop down, select URL port, and in this URL port I give it the value number. Then I create one more URL port which is the info. So I have saved this and I'll come back. I have configured two more ports in my expression which I will map to my ports in the REST consumer transformation. So since it's a dummy URL, the mapping will fail, but I'll run the mapping and show you in the log what the final URL is. So I've run the mapping and opened the log, and as you can see in the final URL, we can see the URL that we initially wanted to build with the 1 and info added from the ports of the URL. So this is how you build dynamic URLs in data quality using the REST consumer transformation, that is the URL ports. We would love to hear from you. You can contact us at supportvideos@informatica.com or using our Twitter handle infosupport. Thank you very much.